Welcome to Comparative VPN YouTube channel. In today's video, I will talk about how to use Private Internet Access or PIA VPN for free for 30 days. Private Internet Access is a VPN that comes with a plethora of security features, solid performance, easy to use applications and very cheap prices. It is a choice of main users on Reddit as well, making it a widely popular option for those who want the best for their online privacy. Being a premium VPN, logically it's not free. However, PIA is priced way below its competition, and second, it offers a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee that will let you use Private Internet Access for free and not lose a single dollar. Wondering how to enjoy PIA VPN for free for 30 days limitlessly? Well, it's quite simple. Before I walk you through the process, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to remain notified whenever we publish a new useful video like this one. Okay, so as I said, PIA offers very favorable prices, especially when we talk about long-term plans that you can see on the screen. Of course, to use PIA for free, you don't need to commit to 1 or 3 years. Instead, you can go for the monthly plan you see on the left and spend merely $10 on a monthly subscription. After that, you can install the VPN on up to 10 devices simultaneously and enjoy its features limitlessly. By that, I mean all servers, unlimited bandwidth, great speeds and all security features available in the application. Just before the first 30 days of your purchase expire, all you have to do is request a refund. To do that, you just need to click on the live chat widget below, choose transfer to agent and tell him or her that you want to get your money back. If the agent asks you why, just mention that you don't need a VPN anymore and they will issue your refund right away. Depending on your payment method, you will get your money back either in a few minutes, hours or days, and that's pretty much it. By getting your money back thanks to a 30-day money-back guarantee, you didn't lose a single dollar, yet you managed to enjoy Private Internet Access free subscription and experience what a premium VPN has to offer. Whether you want to use PIA VPN for free or enjoy its cheap long-term plans, you can get the prices you saw by using the link in the description below. Doing that, you get access to a little less than 30,000 servers in more than 70 countries that PIA has to offer. Moreover, the VPN also has a lot of security features, including 256-bit encryption, WireGuard support, kill switch and IP leak protection for keeping you safe online. Now that I mention it, PIA VPN comes with a no logging policy as well. It actually proved that it won't store any logs several times, making it a great solution for overall privacy. I must mention that it works with Netflix as well, albeit with a few libraries, and lets you download torrents anonymously thanks to P2P friendly servers. With 10 simultaneous connections, solid device support and 24/7 customer service, I think that using PIA VPN for free is a good idea. Is it the best VPN though? I would say no, and if you for any reason don't like it, you can try out ExpressVPN. Don't worry, you can use it for free the same way you use Private Internet Access for free. It offers a 30-day money-back guarantee as well, so the same trick can be applied in case you don't want to spend any money on a VPN no matter how good it is. ExpressVPN comes with more than 3,000 servers in 94 countries, significantly faster speeds and a certified no-logs policy, which means that your personal info will remain just that. Personal. The VPN has a variety of security features as well, including Lightway, a proprietary VPN protocol, which is currently the best solution on the market. Unlike PIA, ExpressVPN unblocks more than 15 netlist catalogs and is a better VPN for streaming if that's your cup of tea. Furthermore, ExpressVPN supports more devices, including but not limited to routers, Fire Stick TV and even gaming consoles. Even though there are 5 simultaneous connections available, its 24/7 customer support is perhaps the most reliable out there. ExpressVPN offers a 49% discount and 3 months free for its annual plan, plus a 30-day money-back guarantee I mentioned that will let you use it for 30 days risk-free. This cheapest deal on ExpressVPN is available on this link, comparative-vpn.fr/evpn, or you can just click on the link in the description box below the video to claim this deal on ExpressVPN. So, you now know how to get a PIA VPN free subscription and enjoy what it has to offer for 30 days. Just get a subscription you want, use it for 30 days, request a refund and you'll get your money back, so you lose exactly $0. Alternatively, feel free to check out ExpressVPN as well. It's a better VPN overall and you can perform the exact same trick, making it a viable option for those who want a premium VPN with pretty much no red flags. And with that said, this was all for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure you smash the like button below, subscribe to our channel and stay with us because many more useful videos like this are coming pretty much on a daily basis. See you in the next video. Bye.